ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Tignan natin kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa paligid-ligid. Your first card is the King of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. Parang feeling ko, may nag-aantay ng tamang timing para makausap ka. May nag-aantay ng tamang panahon para magkita kayo uli or magkita kayo. May nag-aantay ng tamang panahon para aminin yung totoong nararamdaman ko or umamin sa kasalanan ko. So, 2 cards pa lang naman. Wala pa dito yung entirety. So, parang meron, the bottom line is, this is not the right time, no? So, parang, nandun ka sa cliffhanger. You're waiting for this relationship to progress, or to progress rather. You're waiting for the relationship to go deeper, or probably you're waiting for your person para gawing official, no? Kung ano mang connection meron kayo. Ikaw din, nag-aantay ka rin naman. You're holding on to this connection and probably you're holding on to a promise, can be, no? Pwedeng LDR ito or pwedeng hindi. Kasi parang nakikita natin kung LDR man siya, ito yung siguro nag-aantay ka para itong person na ito is sumulpot, magpakita sa'yo, no? At somewhat, sabihin natin mabigyan ng hustisya, no? Yung pag-aantay mo. With the Strength card, bakit parang, kung meron man itong iniisip, whether sinabi niya ito sa'yo in person, no? Or baka sabihin natin, sinarili niya. Parang feeling ko mas mapapaaga. Mapapaaga yung pag-uwi, mapapaaga yung pag-amin, mapapaaga kung ano man ito, pagbabalikan ninyo. Kasi your person here, somewhat, parang tinatapangan niya yung sarili niya, no? Parang ang nakikita natin dito, gusto ko sanang medyo itagal pa ng bahagya. Pero parang ang nangyayari dito is parang sinusurpress ko na lang or meron ng pressure sa akin for me to tell you, no, kung ano yung mangyayari. So, feeling ko nga there's something here, the World card, no? There's something that needs to be changed. It can be, and the changes is positive naman. Sabihin nating may shift, no? Positive shift dito sa relationship. It can be a life-changing event in a positive way. Pwedeng ito nga yung inaantay mo na maging official kayo. Sabihin nating mangyayari at parang medyo mas maaga. Something here needs to be done. Merong sense of urgency that needs to be done right now or right here, right now. The Wheel of Fortune, so sabihin natin, noon pa man, meron ng plan. Noon pa man, ganun na yung feelings. Hindi lang sinasabi. Noon pa man, gusto ko nang gawin. Noon pa man ay meron na ako talagang plano to do this exact action, no? Pwedeng pagpapakasal, pwedeng mag-propose, or pwedeng noon pa man I'm seeing my future, no? With you, building a family with you, pero nag-antay ako ng bahagya. The death card, oh, it is a promise. So, parang hindi naman nagbago yung promise ko. Okay. Yung inaantay dito is either mapatawad, ayan na. Yung inaantay dito is yung pagbabalikan. Yung, kunyari ako tong person na to, no? Inaantay kong mapatawad mo ako. Inaantay kong magkabalikan tayo. Kasi kung ano man yung mga pinangako ko sa'yo before, hindi siya nagbago. In fact, medyo mas gumanda, mas lumalim, mas seryoso, mas intense, no? Inaantay. So, inaantay ka lang pala nitong person na ito, or inaantay lang ng person na ito na patawarin mo siya. So, the Two of Wands. Oh. Bakit parang pakiwari ko, di ba sabi ko kanina may sense of urgency? It's more of parang mutual or mirrored energy. So parang siya, patawarin mo na ako, no? Tapos ikaw naman, kailan ka mag-approach? So parang ganun. Kailan mo ako papatawarin, yun yung action niya, no? Or litanya niya. Yung sa'yo naman, kailan ka ba mag-a-approach para mapatawad na kita? So, meron dito nag-aantayan. The Queen of Pentacles. It felt like I am ready to give you, to start, no? I'm willing to give you this abundance. It can be money, it can be the commitment nga, and so that you can start or we can start. It can be a new chapter of our life. It can be a business. It can be what have you. No? Something here na ibibigay sa'yo for you to prosper. For you to be happy. For you to parang mag-smile. Ayan. With the Eight of Wands and the Devil card. So ngayon, meron talagang, baka matakot kayo kasi the Devil card showed up. Kasi with the flow of this energy, it's more of, ngayon naman, meron lang, kung dati natatagalan kayo, no, for this person to either take action. Kasi the Devil card here and the Eight of Wands signifies, ngayon naman sobrang bilis. Ngayon naman para magugulat ka na lang. Sandali, hindi naman tayo nag-usap, or napag-usapan natin yan before, pagbalik mo, no, di nagkaroon kayo ng separation. Ngayon, pagbalik mo, bigla mo na lang gagawin. Parang without a warning. Parang you didn't even ask me if I am ready. You didn't even ask me if I still want it, no? You didn't even ask me if kung umaasa pa ba ako, gagawin mo yan? Siguro, at the back of your mind, yes. Pero kasi, since nagkaroon nga ng separation, medyo parang iniisip mo dito, I think that we need to start from the scratch. Or parang maghilo muna tayo, no? Let's heal. Pero hindi. You're going to jump off kung parang as if walang nangyari. Itutuloy na. Either pwede rin itong yung immigration. Ma-migrate kayo sa ibang bansa. So this is your reading. Bago natin i-check ang zodiac sign, tignan natin, no, kung kayo'y merong mga tanong. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted ngayon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign. I'm seeing Capricorn, Aries, Capricorn, nasabi na natin, Leo, Scorpio. Leo is very dominant. Sagittarius is here. Virgo is here. Aquarius. Libra. Ayan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.